how to draw an involute of a circle. First of all, we are going to be drawing our straight line. So from our straight line, we are going to be drawing a circle, and our circle is going to be of diameter 50 millimeter. That's radius of 25 millimeter. So we are going to be dividing our circle into 12 equal parts, which is going to be like this. If at all you don't understand how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts, you can check my previous videos, dropping the link in the description below. So now that we have divided our circle into 12 equal parts, I'm going to draw a straight line from here, like this way. So from this, picking this length, we are going to be using this length. Let's just number this as 12, 1, 2, 3, 11. So from here we are going to be picking this length here. We can pick either 12 and 1 or 1 and 2, any one we like. So we'll mark this point, then move here, mark here, this mark here, mark here. So we are going to be counting here as is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's remaining 1, which is good. This is going to be point 12. So from this point, from each point of this line, that's we are going to be drawing a tangent to the circle. From each point we are going to be using our set square. So from each of these points we are going to be drawing a line that is perpendicular to this other line, like this. We pick here also. We are drawing a line that is also. You can also be using your protractor. If at all you don't know how to draw your perpendicular with your square, you can pick your protractor, place it at this point, then pick point 90 degree, then you can join it with your ruler like this. You can do it like this. Do it for the other side also, like this. Pick your point 90 like this, join it also like this, like this. So we will be doing it for the all of the lines. It's 11 also, like this. 90 and drawing our straight line like this. So now we are going to be picking our points, which is going to form our involute. So what we are going to be doing first, we'll pick from point 1 to point 12 on our compass, point 1 to point 12 on our compass. After we have picked that point, we place it at point 1 and mark this point. So now we put point 2 to 12, point 2 to 12 on our compass also, like this. Point 2 to 12, we place it at 2, mark this point. We pick point 3 to 12, place it at 3, mark the points. We'll pick point 4 to 12 on our compass. Place it at point 4, mark this point. We'll pick point 5 to 12. Place it at point 5. Mark these points. We pick point 9 to 12 also. Place it at point 9 here. Mark this point 10 to 12, which is this. Place it at point 10. Mark here point 11 to 12. Place it at point 11 here. So we mark here. Yeah, so these are the points of our involute. Point 12 here, P1, P2, P3, P10, this P11, and this P12. So these are the points of our involute. These are the points of our involute. So we are going to be drawing our curve using our French curve. So it goes like this. From here to here, draw our curve like this. And from here to here, another point. I'm picking from here to here also. Picking from here to here. From here like this. Picking this point also like this. We are picking here also like this. If you are finding value in this video, kindly drop a like. If you are here to subscribe, kindly subscribe like this. And like this to this point P here. So this is our involute of a circle. Kindly share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching.